Hello everyone! Welcome back to Basic Premiere Pro Tutorials with Rika. Today, we're going to learn how to color correct in Premiere Pro CS6. To start, go to File and import the video you need to color correct. I have this particles video here and we're going to click Open, or you could just double click it. Then click and drag the video into the timeline and the pop-up window will appear indicating clip mismatch. Just click Change Sequence Settings to match the settings of your selected video. Then go to the Effects panel and select Video Effects folder. Click Color Correction and find RGB Curves. Click and drag the effect to your video on the timeline. Then go to Effects Control panel and adjust the curves or values according to what you want. We have the master curve represented by a white diagonal line, and it controls the luma or the brightness of the video. Adjusting the master curve adjusts the values of all three RGB channels simultaneously. Beside the master curve is the red curve. Under it is the green curve, and on its right is the blue curve. To adjust different tonal areas, add control points directly to the curve. Just drag the points depending on what color you want your video to appear. I want my whole video to become magenta, so I adjusted all the curves. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. And always remember, practice makes progress. Consistency leads to mastery. Stay safe and stay tuned for more videos.